Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to contact Credit Karma support. If you need assistance with Credit Karma, you have several options to get in touch with their support team. The first method is the online method. Simply go ahead and open a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in creditkarma.com to end up in the official website of Credit Karma. You will now find yourself in the main homepage, from where you will need to click on the Help Center button at the top right. Now in the text box, type in your questions or issue. Once you do that, you will be able to find the answer for your query. If you don't find the answer you are looking for, you can also go to the bottom of the screen and click on the Contact Us button. Now, select a topic you are trying to get help for, and after you choose all of the information, click on Continue button at the bottom and follow through the instructions to find the answer that you are looking for. So that is how you will be able to contact Credit Karma support in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.